video I am going to demonstrate you or tell you about the a tool ngrok, or some people call it, pronounce it ngrok. This tool, I will explain you the purpose or uses of this tool, when to use it or how to use it. So consider a scenario when you are building or you are developing an API in your local system, right? You have a requirement to prepare one API in your local system. So you made it. Now you want to show it to your reporting manager or someone who wants to see the result of API or see the response of that API which you have built in your local system, wants to access or wants to see the response of that API from outside of your system. Okay, so in this case, the common approach is that developer will upload his API on testing server or QA server, then the reporting manager or someone will test or see the result of that API. But in this case, let's say your manager tested API or your QA team tested that API, okay, which you have deployed on staging server or QA server. They tested and they reported one bug, or they tested or they asked to make some change, right? So in this case, what you will do as a developer, you will again make your changes in your local system, again upload on staging server or QA server. So again your QA team or tester will test that API. Let's say if he found again some issue, so he will report you again. You will do the changes on your local system and then deploy on staging or QA server. Okay, so this will keep going on. So you will have to keep making changes on local system and deploy on staging or QA server, right? So to avoid this, this is amazing tool, ngrok or ngrok. So using this tool, you can make your local system accessible from outside of your local system. Okay, you you can allow your manager or QA or your tester to use your local API, the API which is running in your local system. This is not yet deployed on staging server. Okay, so this is the purpose of this tool ngrok. Okay, so you can allow someone to access your API which is still in your local system, right? So on this screen, this is tool. Sign up to this website ngrok.com, download this package. I'm using Linux, so I downloaded this. Okay, download it and extract it. Okay, now next step is run this command http hyphen host hyphen header equals rewrite localhost colon 8004. Why I have written colon 8004 port? Because my API is running on this port 8004. Okay, so I'll hit enter. So this command will give me this forwarding URL. These two URL. First URL is http, second one is with https. Okay, so either of the URL you can use and give to your QA reporting manager or someone outside of your local system. He would be able to access your system through this URL. So I have developed API. I'll show you. I have developed this API named as test API. As a endpoint is /AP/API/test. Okay, so very simple and basic. So I'm returning API called. Okay, status as 200 and message as API called. So I'll copy this. Either you copy this URL or the below one. Okay, so I copied the first one without as secure. So open your Postman. In Postman, instead of here, you just paste that URL /API endpoint. So API endpoint is API/test. Okay, so So here API slash test. Now this API is running on my local system on port 8004. So I'll just hit enter. As you can see, it gives me error not found. Okay, let me see again. I'll copy this, I'll replace this by new one. Now I'll hit enter. See, now that API got called, right? We have response as API 200. So this is how it works. So now this is the URL of your local system. Now your local system will be treated as web server. Okay, so from outside of your system, outside of your local system, anyone can access the API which you have worked on. Okay, so this will this will not force you to upload your API again and again on staging or QA environment. Cool, that's all. Thank you.